In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a brake light switch on a Ford Transit Connect. This is located on top of the brake pedal. Let's get started. We're going to make our way to our driver's compartment and the driver's seat as well. We're going to locate our brake pedal. We're also going to follow it up to locate our brake pedal switch. We're also going to locate its connector as well. To remove our brake pedal switch, we're going to grab it and turn it clockwise. Once it's fully released, slide it out. Now we have better access to our connector. To remove our connector, I'm going to press down on the tab and slide it out. I'll be using an angled pick. And there it is. Now to install our brake light switch. Put it in place and reinstall your connector. Slide it over until it fully seats. Make sure it's secure. Now install it on the brake pedal assembly. I'm going to put it in place. Once it's in place, turn it counterclockwise and make sure it's fully secured. And that completes our install. Verify your brake lights work, and thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.